Good morning, students. Next topic, large scale industries. Already we have discussed green revolution, second green revolution, everything has discussed. Now we are going to discuss about a large scale industry. What is large scale industry? The industries which are require for huge manpower, huge infrastructure, and have an influx of capital assets. All these are required for large scale industries. If it is regarding large scale industries, the term large scale industries is a generic one which are includes various types of industries in its purview. That means the boundary of a large scale industries includes various types of industries like steel industry, textile industry, automobile manufacturing. All these industries are come under large scale industries. In recent years, we know that IT sector, information technology, service sector, it's boom, and it require a huge amount of investment, and it generated a huge amount of revenue. So that IT sector also come under large scale industry. Large scale jurisdiction of the large scale industrial sector. Which sector? Information technology. Then Indian economy is heavily dependent on the large industries for its economic growth, generation of foreign currency, and for providing job opportunities to millions of Indians. All these are done through what? Large scale industries. The agriculture sector, which are we are depending on large size of population, it didn't give such type of employment generation and will not create any foreign currency. So that large scale industries gives such employment generation, foreign currency to the mass people. The following are the major large scale industries in India. We will discuss one by one elaborately. First industry is iron and steel industry. This iron and steel is a major, very important factor for any type of industry, any activity. Without iron and steel, it is not possible. So the first steel industry at Kulti near Jharia, West Bengal state. The Bengal Ironwork Company in 1870. First large scale steel plant is TISCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company, which are established at Jamshedpur by Jamshedji Tata. On behalf of Jamshedji, the area was called Jamshedpur. Followed by TISCO. ISCO also established at Banpur in 1919. ISCO abbreviation Indian Iron and Steel Company. Both belong to private sectors. The first public sector unit, that means government sector unit, was Visvesvaraya Iron and Steel Company at Bhadravati, Simha district. The public sector steel plants, location and assistance. Assistance means subsidy, fund raised through which. ஒடிசாவில் ரூர்கேலா அதுக்கு ஃபண்டு ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணது யாருன்னா ஜெர்மனியோட ஹெல்ப்பில் இந்த இடத்துல அயர்ன் அண்ட் ஸ்டீல் பிளான்ட்ஸ் எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணாங்க. மத்திய பிரதேசில் பிலாய் ரஷ்யாவோட ஹெல்ப்பு. வெஸ்ட் பெங்காலில் துர்காப்பூர் யுனைடெட் கிங்டம் இங்கிலாண்டோட ஹெல்ப்பு. பொக்காரோ ஜார்க்கண்டில் ரஷ்யாவோட ஹெல்ப்பு. வெஸ்ட் பெங்காலில் இருக்கிற பான்பூர் விச் வாஸ் அக்யூர்ட் பை ப்ரைவேட் செக்டர் in 1976, not by other countries and government. And Visakhapatnam at Andhra Pradesh, help received from Russia. And Tamil Nadu, Salem Steel Company, which was established by Government of India No external assistance will not get. And Vijayanagar, Karnataka, Government of India established. Again, Karnataka, Bhadravati, nationalization of Visvesvaraya Iron Steel Limited, owned by central and state government. All these are managed by SAIL. SAIL means abbreviation Steel Authority of India Limited. At present, all important steel plants except TISCO டாட்டா கம்பெனிலேயே ப்ரைவேட், அதை விட்டுட்டு மிச்சம் எல்லா கம்பெனியுமே கவர்மெண்ட் தான் ரன் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காங்க, பப்ளிக் செக்டார் கம்பெனி. இந்த ஸ்டீல் அத்தாரிட்டி ஆஃப் இந்தியா லிமிடெட் எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் இன் 1974. அவங்க தான் இந்த ஐயன் ஸ்டீல் கம்பெனியெல்லாம் மேனேஜ் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்குறது. அண்ட் வாஸ் மேட் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள் ஃபார் டெவலப்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் அ ஸ்டீல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி. Presently, India is the 8th largest steel producing country in the world. Second large scale industry is jute industry, which was established at first in West Bengal, because West Bengal is favorable location for jute cultivation, so that industries are established near in and around West Bengal. The jute industry is an important industry for a country like India. Why? Because not only it earns foreign exchange, but also it provides substantial employment opportunities in agriculture and also industrial sector. That is why jute industry is an important industry in like India. The first modernized industrial unit was established at Resra in West Bengal in the year 1855. The jute industry in country is traditionally export oriented, and India ranks, even though we are a traditionally exported jute industry, we are in first rank in raw jute and jute goods production, and number 2 in export of jute goods in the world. And third large scale industry is cotton and textile industry. The cotton textile industry is the oldest industry of India, and it cotton textile industry providing largest number of workers getting employment opportunity from this sector. It is the largest organized and broad-based industry which accounts for 4% of GDP and 20% of manufacturing value added and 1/3 of total export earnings. This much of importance having cotton textile industry. And first Indian modernized cotton cloth mill was established in 1818 at Fort Gloucester near Calcutta, but this industry was not successful. Then the second mill was started in Mumbai, named Mumbai Spinning and Weaving Company. This was established in 1854 at Bombay by KG&N Daber. And fourth large scale industry is sugar industry. Is the second largest industry among agricultural based industries in India. India is now the largest producer and also the largest consumer of sugar in the world, because that much of population we have. Maharashtra contribute over 1/3 of Indian total sugar output, and next place goes to Uttar Pradesh. These are the both states providing major part of producer of sugar in India. Then fertilizer industry. India is the third largest producer of nitrogenous fertilizer in the world. And paper industry, the first mechanized paper mill was set up in 1812 at Serampur in West Bengal. The paper industry in India is ranked among the top 15 global paper industries. Among 15 global paper industries, India is also the one of the industry in the world, famous industry, paper. Then silk industry, India is the second largest. First place goes to China in silk industry. India occupying second place in the world producing natural silk. At present, India produces about 16% of silk of the world. India enjoying the distinction of being The only country producing all the 5 known commercial varieties of silk like mulberry, பட்டுப்பூச்சி வளர்த்து பண்ணுறாங்களே அது, ட்ராபிக்கல் ட்ரெஷர், வெப்ப அந்த வெயில் இதெல்லாம் சேர்ந்துருக்கும் இல்லையா அங்கே ஏரியாவில் வளர்கிறது, ஓக் டஷர், எரி அண்ட் முகா, இதெல்லாமே பட்டோட சேர்ந்தது தான் சில்க். Next industry, petroleum and natural gas. First successful oil well was dug in India in 1889 at Digbai, Assam. நம்ம 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்லேயே மேப்பில் இந்த பிளேஸ் மார்க் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். அஸ்ஸாமில் திக்பாய்ன்ற பெட்ரோலியம் நேச்சுரல் கேஸ் இருக்கிற பிளேஸை மேப்பில் மார்க் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். At present, a number of regions with oil resources have been identified and oil is being extracted in these regions. Even though we have such resource, we are still depending on foreign countries, Arab countries for oil, because we don't have such technology to extract such resources. For exploration purpose, Oil and Natural Gas Commission (ONGC) was established in 1956 at Dehradun, Uttarakhand. These are the industries are large scale industries